Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining us on Ludicrous Feed today. Check it out, the canopy over my inverter is now complete. You might have seen my last video where I talked about the fact that the inverter was exposed to the western sun every day, beating down with the harsh Australian sun that we get here. You can see the Aurora casing is faded, but the actual mechanics and the electric components of the Aurora are all still intact, so I'm pretty happy. But now that the warranty has run out, I've got this canopy here that's been installed just to cover it. Hopefully it'll last for another, 5-10 years, as long as I can get out of it. And that was recommended by the solar installer that came to my house because I'm getting new panels for my roof. Anyway, it's covered completely, so as I'm standing under here, I'm getting sheltered from the rain, which is drizzling down at the moment. And we'll have to give it a good test when the sun does come out one of these days and check out the temperature. Currently the temperature says it is... Let's have a look here. 29.7 degrees, so that's 20 degrees less than what it was when I filmed that last video. Admittedly, it's still a cooler day today, and not the same sunshine we got last time, but when it's a sunny day, I'll come back out and check it out for you. But good canopy here. Got this from the hardware store starting with B, and it's tinted as well, and it's made of polycarbonate, which is like a strong plastic, I think, judging by that name. Before I go, I just wanted to talk to you about one of our viewers. Phillip sent some pictures in of himself. There he is there, sitting in the Hyundai Kona EV that they had on display. There's Col Crawford, the dealer himself, opening the cars to the public there. There's the Kona EV again, I think. Let me check. No, that's actually the Nexo. So the next few pictures are Nexo, which is the hydrogen car by Hyundai. He says himself that he's doubtful there'll be much uptake of hydrogen fuel cells in Australia. I'm kind of in the same boat as well. I think EVs are the way to go. And the last picture is the Ioniq, which you might have seen in one of my videos where we did a test drive with Tim. So thanks, Philip, for sending those pictures in. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you've got some pictures and videos from the opening night from Col Crawford a couple of weeks ago, please don't hesitate to send that in to ludicrousfeed98@gmail.com. My friend Tim also visited that night, and so we'll go through his slides as well in an upcoming video. And also thanks for watching all my videos. Thanks for supporting Ludicrous Feed. If you've got any pictures of anything sustainable, electric cars, solar panels, batteries, whatever it is, send it right in. I'll be sure to include it in a future video. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for supporting us. Have a lovely day wherever you are in this world. Look after yourselves, and as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. Happy charging!